Today, we're going to be upgrading the Optiplex Dell 3010 PC with the Intel i7-37700 CPU. All right, we're going to set this PC down. Gotta put my gloves on. There we go. Obviously, we gotta take this apart in order to add the new CPU. So when it comes to the motherboard, you gotta be very, very careful. Very careful. Gotta unscrew the CPU cooler. Just put the CPU cooler on the side. Just like right there. All right, so I got the CPU cooler off to the side. So I know this is the i5 CPU, but I forgot like how powerful it is. I don't know if it's like the older i5 models or the newer ones. I'm gonna check. All right, let me just take this CPU out. Gotta be very careful when taking it out. Oh, so it looks like this is the i5 3470. Not bad, but we're gonna upgrade the newer CPU. Moment of truth, I hope this works. If it doesn't work, then that'll suck big time. Here it is, the i7 CPU. There we go. Yeah, nicely packaged. Oh, and it came with thermal paste, but we're going to be using this thermal paste, MX4. Yep, yeah, i7 3770, right there. Oh, just open it just like that. Let's see if they're the same size. Yep, they're the exact same size. So I know I ordered the right size for this motherboard, and it should be able to fit. It's right in there. Yep, it's in. All right. Time to add this thermal paste. There we go, just that amount. All right, there we go. Yep. And just to show you guys real quick, this is the graphics card that I'm currently using. It's the AMD 550. I am going to upgrade the graphics card to the RTX 3050 low profile card. It's not the best graphics card in the world, but it's decent enough for me to like do things like edit and stuff like that. Just close that latch and we put the case back on. And hopefully this PC should work. If it doesn't, I'll be very disappointed, but we'll just see what happens. Yep, I got the PC plugged in and everything, so let's see. So all I gotta do that is left to just plug in the power cable. All right, okay, let me move this out the way. Okay, it's actually turning on. The screen's on. Let's see what will happen. And I'm so glad this CPU actually worked. All right, so everything is loading. Oh wow, that was pretty fast. That was way faster than the last CPU I had. Yeah, all this loaded very fast because usually load at once when I had the i5 3440 or 50 CPU at the time. But everything, well, half of it all loaded together. I actually don't regret buying that CPU. It was worth the investment. It may not be the best, but way better than the last one, the last CPU I had. Yep, everything is a lot more smoother. I'm finally able to edit smoothly, even with 60 FPS. Let me play a video just to test it. Yep, I got no lag, no spikes. This is really good.